This innovation is grounded in the idea of efficiency and promoting moderation and temperance in the use of resources and energy. Ecological education. Ecological education is about rethinking and redesigning cultural and institutional reform in the spirit of ethical ecology in order to foster ecological awareness and transformative action.
Ecological spirituality. Ecological spirituality recovers a religious vision of God's creation and encourages greater contact with the natural world in a spirit of wonder, praise, joy, and gratitude.
Community engagement and participatory action. This encourages the development of cultures and policies that protect our common home and all who share it.